Rolf Kurtyka with Brightwood Real Estate Education. Hey folks, what is personal property? When we're talking about real estate, what is personal property? Well, personal property is not real estate. It's not real property. Remember, real estate is the land plus appurtenances, improvements, rights, interests, and fixtures. What's personal property? Everything that is not real property. All property that is not real property is personal property. Personal property, unlike real property or real estate, is movable. You can take it with you. It is not attached. It's not attached permanently to the land. It's not attached permanently to the improvements. And it must be included in a purchase contract to transfer with the property. So when we contract to buy real estate, we often describe the real estate, and some states require a legal description, others don't, but they require a description of the property. And that just describes the land and everything attached to the land. So that does not include the personal property. So I want the land and everything attached to the land, and I want the fireplace tools, and I'd like to get that chair, and ooh, I love that blender in the kitchen, and maybe an appliance or two that's just plugged in and freestanding. Right? I have to include those things because they're not automatically going to run with the land because they're not attached to the land. Let's take a look at this fun photo and see if we can discern between real property and personal property. So take a look at this chair, or these beautiful chairs. Are those personal property or real property? Are they attached? Don't look attached. You can probably move them around. So this then would be personal property. What about this item right here on the wall? Can you see it? Now there, you see that thing? I'm not sure. I'd have to do more investigation to determine whether that's personal property or real property. That might be attached. And if it's attached, it's not personal property. How about the stained glass gang? No. Why? Because it's built in. It's attached. So the stained glass is not personal property. It's real property. It runs with the land. But the furniture, the knickknacks, and all that other stuff is personal property. Here's an important one. Test writers love this one. Fireplace tools. So the fireplace itself, that's real property. It's attached. It's built in. But the fireplace tools are not attached. They're personal property. We'd have to have a side agreement if I wanted to buy those fireplace tools. So, ownership of real estate is transferred with a deed. But remember, personal property is not real estate. So the transfer of ownership of personal property is done through a bill of sale. It's a lot like a receipt. Everything's got to be itemized. I want the fireplace tools, the blender, that chair, and this chair, and that's all I need, right? And that would be all transferred with a bill of sale. So that's personal property.